Wondering if there is anything you can do to make your hair grow faster? Here are some steps you can take to boost your hair growth. 1. Eat a well-balanced diet that includes hair growth nutrients like vitamin C, biotin, and protein. 2. Avoid hairstyles that can damage your hair, like cornrows, ponytails, buns. 3. Go easy on coloring your hair. Using hair dyes could affect the strength and thickness of your hair, resulting in hair damage. 4. Indulge in a scalp massage. A scalp massage may help promote relaxation, relieve stress, and help boost the health of your hair. 5. Trim your hair regularly. Trimming your hair every few months may boost the growth of healthy hair. It removes split ends, preventing them from spreading farther up your strands and causing hair breakage.